A very happy morning, children. So today is an interesting competition from CBSE, that is from the Government of India. So it is regarding the celebration of 75 years of Indian independence. Azadi Ka Amrut Mahotsav Logo Design Contest. That is, we are almost around 75 weeks to celebrate 75th independence, right? So on this nice occasion, the government has been decided to celebrate by designing a new logo, right? For that, cash prizes will be awarded. 3 cash prizes. What are 3 cash prizes? It is 1 lakh, 50,000 and 25,000, right? 3 cash prizes, and it is open to all citizens of India. No age barrier, right? Everybody can participate. If you are having a innovative idea, you can participate, right? And the most important point is the last date is 8th March 2021. So is it okay? This is a gist of the competition. That is, it is a logo design competition to celebrate 75 years of Indian independence. So the theme should be, it is related to 75th year celebration of Indian independence. Last date is 8th March 2021. Prizes or 3 cash prizes. What are the cash prizes? 1 lakh, 50,000 and 25,000, right? Coming to the point again here, right? What are the topics you can take? So governance, development, technology, reform, progress and policy over the years. Everything should be related to 75th Independence Day celebration, right? So here the first prize is for the winner is 1 lakh, and the second prize runner-up is 50,000, and the third prize for second runner-up is 25,000. Right? Here the date has been given as last date of submission is 28th February, but it has been extended to 8th March 2021. Right? So what you have to do? It should be on your own, right? No other copywriting or any plagiarism is allowed here. There is no entry fee, and you have to upload a soft copy. It is in the format of A3 paper size, right? And it should be your own production, and you have to upload in the contest page of My Government portal. Note it down, My Government portal, you have to upload your thing. The entries will be judged on the basis of creativity, originality, its composition, technical excellence, simplicity, artistic merit, and visual impact, and how well the theme is communicated. These are the main points, right? So all entries should be posted in mygovernment.in website. In that you have to go to creative corner section of mygovernment.gov.in, and it should be submitted in the electronic mode, right? No other mode of submission is entertained, and the government has all rights to copy, paste or advertise whatever it may be regarding the logo. And most importantly, one entrant should submit only one entry. If you are trying to upload multiple entries, it will be rejected, right? The prize money 1 lakh is subjected to tax, right? The prize winner has to pay the tax on his own. So government will not give any tax benefits for this 1 lakh or 50,000 and 25,000, right? And the government employees, if you want to participate in this competition, you should get a proper permission from the superior of your concern. And most importantly, the technical criteria, it should be in the JPEG or PNG or PDF. It should be in color, and it should be provided both in CYMK and RGB formats, and it may vary from 5 cm to 60 cm. And it should be easy to share in the social media such as Twitter, WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. And it should be designed in a digital platform, right? And if the government asks to you, you have to provide the open thing, that is in the PSD or EPS or COR format. And you have to ensure that original designs are submitted, no cut, copy, paste. All fonts should be converted into outlines, and it should have a high resolution. Even if it is viewed at 100% size, it should be clear. No pixels should be visible if it is zoomed, right? And the logo or design should not be watermarked or imprinted. No more watermarks or something should not be there, right? So all the entries received will be analyzed based on the thing what we discussed earlier, that is creativity, etc. Right? Again, the same thing I'll tell you here: creativity, originality, composition, technical excellence, simplicity. Don't make it too complicated by adding much more elements, right? Artistic merit, a visual impact, and how well the theme is communicated. The main point is the celebration of the 75th Independence Day, right? The link is given in the description corner. If you click the link, you will be landed here. There is a creative corner of mygov.in, right? So here, this is a actual competition we have to go. This is a creative corner here. So here we can go for the task. So 596 tasks it has been given here. So I'm getting into the tasks. So there you will get your content. That is logo design contest. Yeah, here. So this is the open task under mygov. So design a logo for celebrating Bharat Ka Amrut Mahotsav, right? So win up to 5 lakh, right? So I'm clicking here. Yes, here the last date has been given as March 8, 2021, right? First it has been given as 5th 28 and has been extended up to March 5, and finally it has been taken up to March 8, 2021, right? Okay, let us see the details here, right? So as we discussed here, the first prize for the winner is 1 lakh, and second prize is 50,000, and third prize, that is the second runner-up, is 25,000, right? So 8 March 2021 is the last date, and the content is related to celebration of 75th Independence Day, right? So as I said earlier, 75 weeks away from the 75th anniversary of Indian independence. So that we are, so we have to celebrate. For that we are making this contest, right? So I'm clicking login to participate. So if you are having the mail ID, we can go with that, or else you can create your thing. If you are having gov.in ID or nic.id, then you can log in with your password, or else you can log in with your mobile number, or else you can go with your social account, whatever it may be. Okay guys, very good. Buckle up. Thanks for watching. First, you have to identify this is an excellent opportunity for all. Usually the competition will be for school children or college children, and those who are in the tender age. But this competition is for all. I feel this is an excellent opportunity. If you spend at least 1 or 2 days to design this logo, you can get an excellent design, and there is an opportunity to get 1 lakh, right? So that is from the government side, right? So buckle up, make your logos ready, and get the best from that, upload it. Best of luck. Bye bye. Thank you.